Namaste. It's 11 o'clock. Um, Let me ask you some. This is mathematical aptitude, what we are supposed to do in CTC. Let me ask you some basic questions. What is the LCM for 1 and 2?
Two, sir. Two.
All of you can write LCM 1, comma 2. Put a dash 2. LCM for 1, 2, 3.
Six.
Are you writing? Because it will turn to a beautiful pattern. That's why I want you to write. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4.
12.
Sure?
12.
LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8.
You got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LCM.
Sir, 60.
1, 2,
60, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LCM.
Sir, is a question?
What is the LCM for 1, 2? What is the LCM for 1, 2, 3? LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4. LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir, same, sir. 16.
LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sir, 420.
So 420, sir.
LCM for 1 to 8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nine 40.
Who is
Sir, 840. Sorry, 840.
LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. LCM for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Sir, 2520.
Now you can write these answers. LCM for 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2, 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is. Those who came late also they can write. LCM for 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2, 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 12.
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 is.
60.
Up to 6 is.
60.
Up to 7.
420.
420. Up to 8.
940.
840. Who is that 940 girl?
840, sir.
You only corrected and said it is 840 again.
Yeah.
Up to 9.
2520, sir.
2520. Now naturally I should ask you what is up to 10. And definitely what will happen.
2520, sir.
Who is this
For
Akash?
LCM of first 10 natural numbers is 2520, sir.
Now if I ask you 10, immediately what you will do is you will again compute. Actually
No,
it.
the LCM of first 10 natural numbers is 2520, sir.
Akash, you want me to tell or you don't want me to tell anything?
Acha, sorry.
What will happen when you are doing, you are taking longer time. Actually it is not required. That is because assume I added the next number 10. Immediately what you should do is find factors of 10. You got 5 and 2, right? When you make factors of 10, what you will get? You will get 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is 10. So you got factor 2, 5. So you check in the earlier numbers, have you used 2 and 5? If you already used it, LCM is not going to change. See, computing LCM everybody knows. But if you know the basic principle of computing LCM, then you will use this method and instantly you will be able to tell the answer. See, I know when you are doing 1, 2, 3, it can take time. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are. Tell me, 4 factors are. Factor of 4. Nobody is there or what?
2 into 2, sir.
2 into 2. Already in 1, 2, 3 always 2 came already. So you only have to multiply 6 into 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Added number is the 5. Which factor you never used. So just multiply the earlier 1 to 4. The 12 multiplied by 5. 60. Immediately you get answer. I am sure you must have learned this LCM business in your younger childhood classes. But what you should do is you should create a pattern to understand the logic behind it, which is not required in that class. But now today you have to create logic. That ability is called mathematical aptitude, which will give you from already solved problem, how do you make the next step faster. You don't have to take, suppose you are in the 9th step, to reach 10th step again, you don't have to start from 1 to 10. From 9th you can jump into 10, so it becomes faster. So when I add 6, the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Already 2 and 3 came because 2 came when it is multiplied 2 and 3 also came already. Therefore nothing to add. LCM for 1 to 6 will become 60 immediately. Are you looking at your notebook and then writing this 6 factor is 3 and 2 and already came? Check it. in the previous numbers which you have written already. That aptitude is what is mathematical aptitude. Do fast. Find out your methods. Now 7. 7 when you factor there is nothing. 7 is a prime. So you have to multiply with the previous LCM. 60 multiplied by 7, 420. So how much time it takes? It takes less than a second. Your answer comes instantly. Half a second you can write the answer. The difference between a good student and a bright student and a bad student and the difference is only the time in which you will do it. How fast you do it. That is competitive. Every competitive exam is the speed in which you do, not your knowledge is never seen. Do you know the trick? That ability is required. Communication is not responding to something after thinking a lot. Instantaneously, presence of mind. Write the word presence of mind. You want to be successful in life? Presence of mind. Underline it many times. So mathematical aptitude is exactly presence of mind. So when you look at the pattern is coming, immediately you catch, yeah, this is the pattern in which I should do. Let it be a problem in permutation, combination, mathematical aptitude, LCM, everywhere. It is checking how good you are in your presence of mind. That's called aptitude, attitude, skill, how fast you are. Now 8 is added. What are the factors of 8? 4, 2, 2. Already 4 came, 2 came once. So you have to only multiply once with 2. So 420 into 2, 840. Immediately you got the answer. See how fast. What happened to all of you? You are taking longer time because your logic is not used. This is logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability. Now 9 is added. What is 9? 3 into 3. Factor is 3 into 3. Already 3 came once. So one more 3 you have to multiply. So 840 into 3. Immediately 2520. Now you are adding 10. 10 is 5 into 2. 5 came, 2 also came. So there is nothing to add. My dear children, are you able to get something out of this? Everybody slept or dead?
No, sir.
Are you appreciating what I'm saying? Yeah. Stupid.
Yes, sir.
Stupid.
Completely what you're saying, actually.
Huh?
We are able to understand, we are actually figuring out what you're telling.
Yeah. That you should appreciate. Not for me, for you. When you get something, you must feel happy. If you don't get, you feel sad. Otherwise, you will never become successful in life. The success is appreciated.
We are appreciating you, sir.
Not me. It's not me. See, it is understanding mathematics. Yeah, when you get something, yes, I got it. If that feeling is not there, what is life? What is being lively? What is life? Now, do you know the difference between doing fast and doing slow? The difference is, look at a pattern. Look at the pattern. Appreciate the pattern. Understand the basics. I just wanted to tell you this because I never intended to tell you this now. See, the permutation, combination, CTC problems, all of that is using a specific pattern of thoughts. If your thoughts are on the rail, you will run faster. If you are out of the rail, even if the engine is powerful, it cannot run. You will derail. You will collapse. So if there are 70 people, all 70, I am trying to put you onto rail. That is not happening because most of you are thinking that you can never come back to rail. And you are thinking it's not my job. I don't require it. But you are losing a big travel. It's 1 month we passed. Almost November 4th we started the class. It's 1 month over. But this 1 month I am seeing only those 5 people who are active becomes active. The rest of the people are not at all active. They may get a BBA certificate. I'm sure university will give you a certificate. But then your qualification will be nothing. Qualification is knowledge. Vivaram, Vivekam. Vivekam is Vivechana Buddhi, Viveka Buddhi. Where, what and how to use. If that need to be used, you need extra, maybe some more crane has to come to put you onto the rail. You are not even looking at the crane. You are not looking at who is going to help you. I have not seen any single person asking, I am not able to get this. You have 24 hours. Yesterday's class is over, today's class is there. In between, I wish somebody tell, no, I am not able to get this logic, please explain. That's not there. See, I'll tell you the difference between me and any one of you. Between me and any one of you is only, I have taken 40 years back birth. I have traveled in a path. 40 years back, maybe 40 years higher than you. So I have taken a path. You are little born later, so you are only traveling little bit. That's only the difference. Otherwise, I and me have no difference. I am one among your family member, like your father or father's brother or father's younger or elder brother. Depends on how old is your father. That's it. I am here to help you. I am here to support you. That's it. That's my life. If you don't understand that, what happens is you will wait for 11:10 to enter into the class, 11:50 to go out of it, the finish. Life is over. That's not my life. I thought 11 to 11:10 people are entering, I will make some fun, and that is why I thought I will give you the LCM problem. But then when I started doing it, I found, yeah, this is a beautiful phenomena which I have to explain to you. All of you, what I want is that zeal, interest, knowledge sharing. That should happen. Only very few are there. Maybe that is good enough for me to sustain my interest. But then I am saying the rest of the 65 people who are here are going to be big failure. Not maybe in the BBA program, but in life. So understand that. Okay, so CTC is supposed to be aptitude. So this is part of the LCM is part of it, which I found that I need to explain. So we'll pick up one problem. Assume there are 20 workers. This is a problem for you. There are 20 workers. 20. They work 6 hours per day. So you should immediately write 20 workers, 6 hours per day. They worked 10 days. Multiply 10. So 26, 10. 3 figures are given. 20 workers, 60 hours per day, 10 days they work. They could complete half of the job. There is a big task to be done. Out of that, half of the job is done. They decided next one day, that means 11th day, they are going to complete the whole work. Rest of the work they wanted to finish in one day. That means so far half job is done. Rest of the half job they wanted to do it in one day. They are ready to work 16 hours per day. The 6 hours is changed to 16 hours. 10 hours they increased. 16 hours per day. Now tell me how many workers are required to finish this work. I have given half of the problem formation nicely. 20 workers, 6 hours, 10 days, half job is done. Now how many workers? 16 hours, 1 day can finish equal number of equal amount of job.
Sir, question is how many workers needed?
to finish the rest of the half job. Or maybe the question can be 20 workers, 6 hours, 10 days job. In a day to finish 16 hours per day, how many workers are required? Two zero 20 workers, 6 hours, 10 days. How many workers? 16 hours, 1 day. Bhagavan. These are children who passed 12th class. Now we know why India is poor. What happened? 71 12th class passed children are here. And you want internal exam. I can give you marks now itself. But given a difficult problem, immediately Google it and get you a. I thought, why should I do this Google form business now? Stopped. Copycats. क्या हुआ? What happened? "20 workers, 6 hours, 10 days."
Sir,
Ah.
75. 75.
Who is that?
Smriti.
Smriti. How did you get it?
Like I multiplied first 20, 20 into 6 into 10.
Ah,
It is 1200.
ah,
20 workers, 6 hours into 10 days.
ah.
See, it is 1200.
Hmm.
No.
Wrong? Ah?
No, I did some mistake. Then I took number of workers as X
Hmm.
into 16 hours
Hmm.
into like 1 day.
Hmm.
Then I equated that, then X is equal to 70.
Are you sure the answer is correct? Are you sure? You doubt? You doubt yourself.
Sir, is it 48?
Who is that?
Yeah.
Explain, Kavya.
Sir, I just thought like that.
Shatakodi Kavya or Patakodi Kavya? I thought it is Shatakodi. Hmm. Yeah, explain, Kavya.
No, I went somewhere.
You went wrong. Shruti also went wrong, she doubts. Kavya went wrong, she is confirmed.
Yeah, perfectly.
Shruti still have doubt whether she went wrong or... But the other people are sleeping or what?
Sir, is it correct?
You should tell, ma. It's your... see, you cooked something and you asked me to name it. You were sure it's sambar. And you don't know whether it's sambar or dal. How do I name it? When you do it, you must be sure what is that you added, how did you do it is your ability.
So it's correct, sir.
Wait, Shruti, let somebody else, somebody got another number, you see. Is it such a difficult problem in the world? Where are these people? 72 people are there. It's very simple, Amma. Shruti, you are right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 20 workers, 20 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to...
1200.
See, you don't have to do all that. You must make your life very simple. 20 multiply 6 multiply 10 equal to x multiply 16 multiply 1.
1.
X is equal to 20 multiply 6 multiply 10 divided by
By 16.
16. Cut. Wherever is cutting.
75.
See how fast it will take 30 seconds. And you have taken how much time? More than 5 minutes. What is this? See, the formulating the problem is very simple because I told you 20 workers, 6 hours per day, 10 days. Done half job. Rest of the half to be completed by question mark. How many workers? So immediately how many workers means X workers. 16 hours multiplied by 60. 1 day. So 20 into 6 into 10 equal to X into 16 into 1. Don't do multiplication immediately. In mathematics, you become faster when you can cut. Otherwise, you have to divide by 16. It will take more time. 1200 by 16 is more time. But when you cut, what will happen? It will become 8, it will become 4, then it becomes very fast, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the trick. What I am saying is, you have to know the tricks of doing faster. That is what I want. I told you it is not important to finish the problem, get an answer, get from somewhere. That's all unimportant. What is important is how fast you are able to get the solution and how fast you can approach the problem. If you take more than 1 minute, more than 40 seconds, more than 30 seconds, you are out from this world, I'll tell you. The idea of this program where mathematical aptitude is to make you capable of doing faster, for which tricks have to be given, for which some syllabus is given. I don't know how many of you, I did not get syllabus so far, I'll tell you. From my brain, what I thought is correct is what I'm teaching you now. But that is what will help you in your life. So this is going to be in 3rd semester for you sometime. I am picking up what is there in the syllabus, taking to you and giving you now itself. If you practice it every day, as many problems as you can, you will become an expert in this. Otherwise, you will be lagging throughout your lagging. It's very simple. Now let me ask you another question. Is it all right now? 75? Maybe the problem can be how many people have to be added extra. Then 75 minus whatever is the number given, 20. So you will get 55. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. One person can complete a work in 10 days. Another can do in 25 days. One person can do it in 10 days. A can complete in 10 days. B can complete it in 25 days. How many days will they complete the work if they work together? Already we have done similar problem last week, but I have not seen any discussion. I am sure this logic is not getting into you. So I thought I will ask you this. Fast. One person 10 days, another person 25 days. A can work in 10 days, B can do it in 25 days. If A and B put together, how many days they will be able to finish the job?
Sir, I'm getting a fraction like 7 by 50.
7 by 50.
Even I got 7 by 50.
7 by
50,
50.
1 by 10 plus 1 by 25.
yeah,
Which is equals to 35 by 250.
yeah.
7 by 50.
See, is it 7 by 50? See, when you wanted to get no,
But that is 1 day's work. That is market work.
see, when 10 days work, how did you convert it into 1 by 10? So when I ask you number of days, what you should do? You should reverse the fraction and tell me that it is 250 by 35. Not 35 by 250. The answer will become 250 by 35. But then number of days when I ask you, you have to make it close to that. So that will become 7 by 50 or 50 by 7.
50 by 7, sir.
50 by 7. So 50 by 7 is next nearest number is 7 days. 7 days they will yeah.
Okay.
So answer is 7 days. Understood? The same logic what you used in the beginning you should use at the end also again. Good. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 25 will become 35 by 250. That's why where I wanted you to use the LCM brain faster. Now you know why I gave you the LCM. because that LCM you can find it with this method which I gave. So you will make it faster. The fractions you will use, you will make the factors and use the LCM. So 250 by 35 is the answer. That is 7 days. Okay, now let me ask you. Find the least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you divide with that, you will get a remainder 3. But when divided by 9, there is no divided by 9, there is no remainder at all. What is the number? There can be many numbers.
Can you repeat again?
When a number is given to you, when you divide by 5, 6, 7, 8, the remainder will be 3. But when it is divided by 9, there is no remainder. Tell me which is the lowest, the smallest number. There can be many numbers. Tell me the smallest number which has this character. Divide by 5, 6, 7, 8, remainder is 3. When divided by 9, no remainder. That means it's a multiple of 9. The others are not multiple of 9, but it gives a remainder 3. Even if you divide by 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, remainder is 3. Which is the smallest or least number which has this character? Divide by 5, 6, 7, 8. Any of this number, remainder is 3. Which is that number? That itself is good enough. That answer is good enough. Then we will see whether it is divided by 9, it can be divided by 9 or not. If it cannot be divided by 9, we will do the next option. Look for the next biggest option or next biggest option. क्या दिमाग है यार बच्चों का? Doesn't work. Come on, come on.
Sir, is it 1683?
Who is that?
Tejashvi.
Explain.
Sir, so basically it should be when divided with 5, 6, 7, 8, it should give a remainder of 3.
Yeah.
So the LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8 is 840.
Yeah.
So it should be 840 into a number plus 3. Because 3
How
should
did you
be
get the
remainder.
LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8 as 840?
Is it not 840?
Is it 840?
I got 840, sir.
Is it correct or not? I'm asking.
It is correct, sir.
Yeah, morning itself, the first thing what we did was that only, na?
Yes, sir, it's 840.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, then?
So, it's 840 plus 3.
Yeah, 843.
No, 840 into K plus 3. K can have any value.
Yeah, so first-
we should, for 1, it is 843. But 843 is not divisible by 9.
Why?
So, if
Why is it not divisible by 9? Who told you?
Sir, 843's digital sum is 15, sir.
Yeah, good girl. So I wanted to know whether you used that. See,
Yeah.
whatever I told you in the previous class was not just for fun. It makes you faster in doing it. Yeah, good. Then.
So we take K value as 2, we get 1683, which is divisible by 9,
That's
according
it.
to digital sum.
That's it. So you
Yeah.
got it. Good girl. It's very simple, no? If you don't know how to get into the track, it looks so difficult, but once you know this is how I should do it, it becomes so simple. I wish all of you have put your attendance in the chat box. Now I have got a Google form which is to be filled up. There are 69 people now. There were 873. Some people would have left. Now let me check the chat box. I have posted already the Google form. Fill it up fast. You've got another 7 minutes to go. Sindhu left. Abdi. Malgala left.
So we can leave after filling the
Yeah.
form.
Yes, we should.
Yeah, actually I'm a new student.
Yeah, Sai
I
Priya.
finished my roll.
No
Am
problem.
I filling the roll number slot?
See, roll number is not important. Your knowledge, gaining knowledge is more important. So if you have anything to ask, you could talk to me. The Google form contains my telephone number, and if I am sure you will not be able to fill up what is that we have done. We have got a mathematics learners group in which a lot of problems are discussed. Maybe whatever is the earlier discussed ones, you could ask someone to post it again for you. These are all maybe primary school learning ability. What we have done, you want to know, you can talk to me any point of time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Where are you from, Cyprian?
I'm from Vikarabad, sir.
What you have done for plus 1, plus 2, which stream?
I'm from the background, sir.
Huh?
IPC background, sir.
By PC is biology, physics, chemistry. So the mathematics is not there in you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, up to 10th class mathematics or less than that mathematics is also good enough. So what you do is brush up your 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th class syllabus mathematics.
Okay, sir.
That is only enough for your BBA aptitude. Mathematical aptitude in any competitive exam is only up to 10th class maths, but you must be able to do it very fast.
Okay.
Yeah. I am not telling what we have covered because that is one of the question in the Google form which I asked. So you could speak to me after this class if you want. After your today's class is over, you can speak to me.
Okay, sir.
If you don't have a roll number in the chat box, you can post your name so that I will mark your attendance. Anyway, the Google form is your attendance. Google form will be your attendance actually. It's 11:50. I think you will have to leave for the next class. I wish all of you respond. 70 forms are there. That's good. 70, 73.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta.
So the roll number is required for filling the forms.
You put some 000 or 222.
Okay, sir.
You are also new, Vishakha?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You heard what I told to Sai, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Permutation combinations, I will give you some maybe PDF file. Somebody asked me, that's why I said today I'll post the PDF file in the group. You are there in the mathematics group, that's good enough. The learners group. What did you learn, Vishaka, in your plus 1 plus 2? Which stream?
So I'm from BioPC school.
Again, biology, physics, chemistry. Yeah.
Yes.
Where are you from?
So I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh, yeah. Where did I went in Chhattisgarh? Nearby Chhattisgarh. Bhilai?
Yes, sir, it is there.
I went to Bhilai, Raipur. Raipur airport, yeah. Bhilai. Steel plant, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I was there some time back. Some years back. 15 years back. Maybe you must have taken birth of that and that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear.